Yeah. The weather is somehow. I salute you, my people. No matter how it is or how it be, the race is for humans, not for animals. And I thank God today that we all are beginning to see it on the right direction. Everything about life is always like that. But when you wake up, whenever you wake up, that is what is really matters. Waking up late, woke up is woke up. Because who die, not if you wake up. I salute to my people very, very well. Depends on wherever you're going to be watching me from. You know, say this matter with the dig grant today, no matter what this could concern everybody. Sometimes we they overlook them because of say, as that man talk whether they call Lucky Dube before he died, say when death never knock at your door, you will not understand the pains and how it feels. Issues of increment and everything in Nigeria, they get out of hand. And which I believe say we all need each other to resolve these stupid ideas. In a Western world, I don't come here, I can't say increment of anything, not they happen. The years and the time I have spent out here, the way I think they buy things, right from since then till now, everything still remains the same. Nothing they increase, nothing they go low. It's always the same. In Nigeria, we have people who government create office to give them office that every month they are collecting salaries. Their mission is supposed to be go and be looking after those things, those areas. They give them opportunity to manage that office that they are holding. The purpose why they are holding that office is to checkmate the cost of living in the society, how things are being sold out to the people, to the citizens. The reason why I just want to quickly shoot mouth this very evening, I don't hold much time. I salute you now, good heart salute you all. I see my people, may God continue to increase you all in all ratification. I go talk am the way it be. I was watching this boy, Emmanuel Agbogun. I still see say my people, Edo people, they still the right talk back. Some are still saying, ask where Governor Obaseki has failed you, has failed Una. Talk back. So I feel very, very ashamed. Why I not go feel ashamed? I not go to blame a lot of people because I understand. Some people, they always carry fight will not be their own for head, like saying that they are fight. Sometimes now who you go report issue to, now they even do the thing, pass you will even get the issue. If we also make we really check out, I don't fair ask for the previous video. Governor Obaseki, PDP or APC, now then get Edo State? No, now then they buy something for market. No, now then they suffer the road way not good. No, now then they go school where they say not get zinc or not get, they not they give free education. No. Now then they everything water. No, not be them. Their own everything is perfect. Everything is perfect. When road bad, then go use hair. When road not even good, then go use better jeep. They go use flying boat, they pass the road. It's a potopoto, it go smooth. But you as a citizens, poor people, now they suffer the whole thing. The whole punishment is upon you. If people come out like this boy, Emmanuel Bogun come out, and his fellow other brothers, citizens who really deem it fit to come and do the needful. As he come out now, if you go check my comment there, I say, yes, this is a good fight. I support this kind of fight. I even share them. Because these are what my dream and my fight is all about. Good heart is all about. When anything that we make the state that call Edo State become a place where we can call home, not like the way we are seeing it now, like animal kingdom, it's not working well. Don't put your hope on one government. or one governor or one person say na him wan come change am right now. Even if they give the one way Manuel Agbogun be one make he enter power today, he go do the worst. If they give her to any of them now, they go do the worst. So it's hard time as a citizens. Make we forget Ogberian or PD or APC or Obaseki. We should drop that aside. When you see your road, machines come there, then they work for your road. Now your duty to come out, to go face those contractors, begin ask them questions. When you don't pass one person, crowd can't go meet a contractor where they work for your street. Una not come them, una don't stop them from working. Another one, now can't take the machine. Una mission, I don't see say don't they work. The quota where they pour for road is not good. If they pour quota, put the rain they fall. Even common shoe where you take waka pass at the quota they come out where you don't do pass. So you now have right to go there to go tell us say, no, we not go fit accept this thing because what you not supposed to know, not be Togberians, now they pay for that thing. Now your money, your own money, now they pay for those workers, those contractors, those engineers. So as Emmanuel Agbogun come as they write, I wonder why will you be writing that? Your mission now should be on how to really come out. After the government office, go straight again to that man where they call those people where they control the team. Because it's like sometimes you see say it's a councillor, they not they see them. Local chairman, they not they talk. Somebody will be a state government, local government for your area, they not they see them. People they represent you, they not they see them. You know, not they ask them questions. What are they representing? Why are they chairman? What is the purpose of chairman? What is the reason why these people are being appointed? So when not as these guys, they come out today now, they try to see how they want to do something about it tomorrow, how they want to find a lasting solution to this increment in everything in the market. Nothing that is not on the high side. We know say when we want to really look at because of the way Buhari and the co-ons they do the things these days. Not just the governor of Edo State or of a state now he go get power to take change anything within the increase. So the fight has to be from the top. But since you cannot go the top, now the government is the one you will hold accountable. And all those offices where we say they function under the same government. All these people are supposed to be held responsible, accountable for these issues of increment. Because if you now come from there, go now, come see say in all this market, you go see somebody go come out, go say now they give themselves names of people where they manage the market or they manage even the dustbin, they manage different offices, different authorities then they where be say they control all the things where they the market, where even they the Edo State. Even you go see organizations or associations, they under these made thing issues. With the sand, they get organization. Even they themselves, where they said, some self when even says mate or even says sand before, or even get what they call building or material before. Then they inside this association. Now then they can control the affairs and the things where they the brand. Now then they put that price where they say today, they know everything they go high. They themselves will not concern them. Their owner is just to spoil. It just they pay me say they don't know one thing. If you increase anything today, and today you benefit from inside, somebody will be say yes, just as some people be now. You will feel rich not today. You go see then you will see a basket of tomatoes for even 1,000 naira, 800 naira, 200 naira, basket of tomatoes. But you go come at those days, they go to tell you 30,000, 40,000, 50,000 for a basket. So all these people where association will be saying they under all these things, all those hierarchy, all of them. These people they hide under and can't go the inflate price. So they make everything now difficult. They themselves they listen and say they are benefiting from it. But forgetting say this increment whether they create so it go later can affect even they themselves. So now the mission now you are somebody where they try to criticize the present day government or the people who vote for the government. You are trying to criticize them. You are making a big mistake. Now for you not to get up, begin locate all these people. Enter the market space. Because I know say yes as I talk for the previous video when I do, the one when I do. Thank God the people like the Manuel Agbogun, they listen to me and all of them listen. They see them. Then take the right direction. Because I say you cannot just stop building house. When it be say you not get anything to take stop the place where for the increaser. So when you don't put all these things in place, you will not say once you stop building house, then you get something in place where you do where be say yes, that thing will really bring the increase or the price lower. you get the power or you get the plans to make sure say you take put the lasting stop. So wetin be this lasting now stop all these things? Now be wetin the judge they try to do now tomorrow to take make sure say everybody come out come talk about these issues. Because once they come out from all these old issues, now to go they enter everywhere they sell something. Just like you enter filling stations now, you go see filling stations. Some filling stations they sell cheap articles, while some they sell on the high side. Some they even sell water as fuel. Some they even sell bad thing as kerosene. They bomb people's house. No authority go question them whether to hold their accountable for all those kind of things. So now it's now left for you as an individual, as a citizen of Edo State, to wake up from your slumber. Wake up. Now, as you are taking the mission, take the mission so every area where be say anything don't they move or anything they don't they sell like this or where anything for they buy or sell. Ask, is there any organization controlling this or this thing? Is there you where they sell pepper? Is there any union around you? You where they do this one where they sell wood where they even sell wood? Is there any union? So who are the union? So how are they affecting this in our business? Now then they put increment or now then they make things they difficult. So that these kind of people need to be wiped out. Need to be wiped out of the society, out of Edo State. Because the problem we all have in Nigeria is not the government. It is we as individuals, we by ourselves. Maybe the devil, the government will disturb ourselves. Now we be the ones where they worry ourselves, where they propose. We are so wicked to ourselves. You see somebody, they go say, oh, if we want to increase, you see somebody will be say buy on the wholesale, he go increase in your too. Somebody they say smith one day high, in buy when they sell on 1,000 naira, he go increase on to that 4,000. You go see somebody where hey, you know all these tomatoes, cow, everything they go increase on and then buy on cheap article. So these people, they know, and the Sunday on Sunday like this go reach. Now then go fair go church, go sit down. Now then go be deacon. Now then go be usher. Now then go be chorister. Now then go be choir. Now then go be mama church, mama pastor. And these people they market, they increase everything, they cause problem for everybody. So these kind of people or this kind of organization, now the next target, as a citizens of Edo State, every area, every circle where people say that they don't gather, they spread things for people. These are the people to meet, to drive out of every market, every organization, every system, anywhere where they say something. You need to drive these people out. I'm passing this message to the people, Comrade Maragbogu, as you are doing it now, and Kola and all the rest. These people need to, Lucky Orupe, these people need to be chased out. I know say that we fight back. That is why they say corruption. Corruption, we always fight back. They will fight back, but good thing, once good light come, darkness must vanish. So you people are the light. So let light as soon as come. Let every darkness in that country, in that state, vanish. Edo State is supposed not to be like other states. When you go to North, things are still cheap. You go to Kano, how much Dangote they say to spend? They're very cheap. But when you come to Edo State, where all the materials, raw materials and everything, they get that smith. Everything, name it all, where they get the smith. Everything they there. Now Edo State smith, now still on the day high. Now in they use in trailer, they kill everybody for Edo State. If they come from abroad, you enter the Mijal motor, now you go use trailer, come they destroy that bus, destroy everybody. Now they use trailer till they destroy all our road. Still, you go still come Edo State, still they suck Edo State. At the end, when news or that they vote who is the richest man in the country, in the world, he go still come out as one. When it be say use juju, use all the power, all corruption, till they win, till they only one now they distribute smith. Nigeria itself not get refinery. Now only Nigeria itself don't go to rich person. Nigeria not fit create refinery, but only in one now fit get refinery. So is that not backwardness? So if Edo people need it different, you all have to really come out. When you are coming out, let it be that all those other union question go reach tomatoes, go reach pure water. Una get any union, any organization, the way they control this una business. If then they show us with them. Also, those kind of people, you need to drive them just as they drive the CDA people enter house. You need to drive them go house. Make them to go buy a packet of pure water. Make them still come sell for market pay government ticket, make them buy ticket, they sell am, make them still know how it be. Not before somebody will be say never he never sew cloth before, he never wed before, he never sell kerosene before, he don't know how to even sell mate. Now he go come and can't be as a union, can't they control the affairs of the market. They control the affairs of the material things that is happening in the state. So my people, I tell God beg now, this mission is not supposed to be a mission of hey, government don't fail you. No, government don't fail us now. Who fail us now? Individual, we ourselves, we are so wicked to ourselves. Now the same you now go come out tomorrow, you go they close from mosque. As they close from mosque, you go come say waiting, you say you don't hear say this thing and they don't talk and say they want increase and next day you go they sell on the same amount of that same increment and you just they serve God come on and you just go shout Allah finish. You they come out from church now you just they shout praise the Lord, hallelujah, you are healed. You go come out come they set things on the high side where you know say you are creating problem. Tomorrow you go come and say you never commit any sin. You don't know no sin. You never commit sin for all your life. That's why it be say then say as I see them they say everything where you just they see everybody where they jump in front on top of altar today, they don't even know what they do. Because if you really want to be a good Christian or example to show example as a good Muslim, you're supposed to love your brother as yourself. That is the only thing where God wants from you. Every other thing, other man and woman like you, now he compose everything when they see there, come to they deceive people till they chop money. If you want to follow the rules, only one rule where God put for grant, now be love your brother as yourself. You not feel love your brother as yourself, make you go give him bad water, make you go poison him, may you go turn to winch, take go kill him, may you can't go native doctor place, can't go tell native doctor this person kill him, or frustrate him, bring the life down, kill him pikin, kill him mama, kill him papa, you not fit one. So when all those things are not happening, tell me how you and me today be suffering, passing through this feeling, these pains that will individual they inflate on each others. You go they look for say President Buhari, oh governor. You yourself, by yourself, wait just they look me, you yourself ask yourself, you know they commit all these things. A good, let us say if you are really a good Christian, good Muslim, love your brother as yourself. I'm telling you today, that is what God has already let us know that this is the only thing where He right. If you feel love your brother as yourself, love that man, that woman as yourself. If you feel do that, you will see say every other thing is becoming zero. But can that happen? Then how are you calling yourself Christian? Even the man where they jump on top of the altar or the woman, himself cannot do this. So what makes you think? You go see the person where they jump for altar and I go tell you say, if this person not be Christian, we not feel associate ourselves with them. The only people will be they practice real Christian before is deeper life. Because if you look at today, the reason why I said deeper life before, they don't they watch television. There are so many things where they are staying from, where they not they do, because they know say all these things must corrupt you. There is no way you go to watch all these things where you not go see what thing they say Bible talk about. Do not look, do not see this, do not watch this. All these things, so you don't they see them. So how come you they talk and say you are a clean man? There is no man that is perfect in today's generation. There is no man, there is no woman. Because everyone is jumping inside sin, robbing sin every day. I always ask this question. How can a normal human being call yourself a man of God or a woman of God? They go buy an anointing oil for market. Anointing oil, the man where they do, and you know what they do? Because me, I don't work for a farm where they say, oh, where they do all this oil where they come buy. The man is poor past anything. He's poor. When you say poor past anything, I just put her like that. You understand what I'm saying? So this same man, I great. They do oil full everywhere. Everybody, a pastor, they go by. Everybody, they go by. Say yes. Now this is what they take. They anoint people. So the whole thing is just it's something you cannot understand. So if you really want to really serve God, can any man of God today you just say he don't live in family, live in loved ones, make it begin follow in people who don't know? It's impossible. They cannot do that. None of them can do that. I salute you, Joy. God bless you. Thanks. Good evening. Happy Sunday. How's the family? So it cannot happen. No man of God, no man of God or woman of God today go fit just get up, say you go live with family, live with children. He want do as Jesus Christ do. So there is no pastor, there is no Christian, there is no prophet today that are perfect in the sight of God or today's generation. So let us stop confusing ourselves. There's no mosque, no imam, nobody, none of them, no one can do it. So you suppose, if you say you want to act like your father or do like your father, it's supposed to be an imitation. Act like him, then do what he do. He say you now go do exploit. Exploit where he talks, they go use after they confuse you. You go do exploit in the sense that you go perform more miracle, more healing, and more decent, more perfect than what he has done. Show me anyone where it be like that. No one. So my people, my brothers and sisters, mothers and fathers, please, if your brothers and sisters are out there tomorrow to come out and protest, tell them, say, make them locate any organization, any union where be say don't dare any position. Go reach pepper, go reach pure water, go reach Smith, go reach anything. All this union need to, cripple them. Make una remove all their feathers. They need to all pack out of that union. Because I don't see where you see people go call himself union. He don't even know how to sell, to even buy beauty material. He don't even know how to sell beauty material. He don't even know how to do mechanic. But in there inside that union, can somebody will be say not no mechanic will go mechanic workshop make if he repair motor? So such a people they will always come there to frustrate that system, to increase price, because the only thing they know is the money. Just like some man of God today now, they go come stay altar, they preach to you. You think say go fit do what the Bible really say make he do? He can never love his brother, love himself as his brother, or love his neighbor as himself. He can never, because if really they do according, they want to do according to God, he's supposed to leave his family and love every other person. Today, crime, crisis, pains that you see today out there, where the origin is from the house of the people where they call themselves pastors and people where they serve God today. I don't want to say house of God, because I know say house of God is different. God is different. God is not like man. So my people, so every other thing you can do to resolve this issue. Now for you now, as you now go government house, enter street, your street. If engineer they work for your street, you get right to go question them. If anybody they say make you can't tie your road, you not get right to question them, because not be government money that they pay. Now your money, your sweat, now that they pay. If they do like that, they do anything, you not get right to go the question. As soon as Emmanuel Gbogbo, as soon as just if we get the mind now to come together, drop that issue of supporting one person or the other, because the same people where you wanted to support, they will still remember, they will do the worst, even the worst than what you are seeing today. So let us drop this issue and let us all come together and find this love, what we call love your brother, love your neighbor as yourself. Make we all love ourselves, make we put those State in order, because now they pass through the pain. Now we get the old confusions, now we get the old problems. They themselves, they can only go to the extent to marry themselves. Once they marry themselves now, so that they carry themselves put for every offices. How can somebody who did not serve a country well, who carries soldiers, 1,000 soldiers, go war, coming back, no one follow or come back, they come make him as an ambassador? How can somebody wey be say they call am wey the ambassador, you go see say the frustration on the people, the citizens, when they go to the office there or go to their ambassadorial grant to go demand for help, they know they feel do anything. How can you have a IG, police IG? Till now, police can never still get themselves, can never organize themselves. Enough is settled, enough bring them back alive again after handsars. Is that man supposed to be an IG? And those people, so you can see all these people, they are just there for themselves. If you people want it better, it's hard time. Let everybody drop this issue of ego. Na me start and na me get, na me no pass. Let us share love, because there is no way if somebody where you not get anything with, if they do party for your backyard, if you go there, you go chop, you go drunk, you will come back home. The other one will come, you go drunk, you go come back home. But when problem don't they, if they invite you there, you not go even go, you go say now your enemy. So the best thing for us not to have this enemy like the people they call callers, these callers where they call Curtis, just as they create problem for themselves. For this kind of things not to be taking place, it's hard time. Let's not throw away that thing where they call division. Let us drop it aside, and ego or power. Let's drop it aside. Let us face reality. Let us begin to show love. Let's love one another. There is no way where be say when love don't they exist in between everybody. from one door to the other. When love don't exist, wey be say peace. Even you yourself, if now 1 naira you get, you go take a job, you go even go market, the chain go still follow you come house. But when there is no love, there is no peace. There is no way, even if you get 1 billion for house, you go market, na rubber bag you take bring back to your house. So when there is peace, so we can also quickly fix any problem. Anything that is coming, everybody can quickly fix it. But when there is no peace, the hole go full everywhere. Enemy can penetrate and come anywhere to do whatever they want to do and go out. But when there is love, there is love. There is no way thief they climb my fence where you wait the other compound where you know go tell me or you know go stop the thief. There is no way criminals or anything fight one come or fire they burn for my house where be say you wait the other compound you know go come help me orphan. But when there is no love, there is no peace, there is no unity, you go even see fire they burn. Now you go say make it burn and no man and a stupid man. You go even have more fire if you even get fuel or kerosene. You want to go pour journal. So you can see all these divisions of issues of we create for ourselves because of courtesy or because of the other thing of politicians. So we are all making a mistake. So it would have been better for the short time where God give you and me to come and live in this world. Let us quickly find a lasting solution that called love yourself as your neighbor. Let us have this thing between us. A Muslim, a Christian are the same father, the same papa. We all have the same father. Now only the politicians can't turn on the other way around. They have division. They use tribalism and all the other thing. They confuse ourselves. Whereas all these are nonsense. Or you see Muslim man will tell you say he cannot allow you to marry the daughter. The Christian man will say Muslim no will marry the daughter. Ask me not be the same things. Now they everybody body. So the only difference that tribe and religious make everybody and this issue of courtesy make everybody keep these things and let us live in harmony and in peace. Let us share love together. Let us love ourselves. Love your neighbor as yourself. When you love your neighbor as yourself, before when we do something, person for your area not going to even know who you be. No matter how they even try to say see who you be, nobody go know. Everybody because now you must run come house. Today you go see person where they the same compound with you. Now you go tell a friend where then they the same courtesy together say this house they get. At the end where they will come catch they will come say yes. Now Fenorowa happen or give me rowa, give me river. Now you wake on every so these days is very bad. So for us not to straighten or to put this in order, let us find this thing called love your neighbor as yourself in between everybody. So that we can fix everything back. Because this thing coming up now, anybody commenting, Togberians, or Baseki, you are making a mistake and a fool of yourself. So let us drop this whole thing because these people, not be that they go school, not be the Togberians, not be government, they go use the road, not be government, they go market now, which things they cost, not be government, they go buy these things where they say they increase and they affect them. Now you and me, now they go this, now they suffer all these things. So now they say you and me, now still they inside market, they turn to union. They the street, they turn to union. They spare parts, they turn to union. They smith factory area, they turn to union. They taxi driving union, they turn to union. We turn to union. Union we never get idea of what they happen in that circle. But now we be the union, and we they talk with it, they happen for them. So what did you expect from people like me if I be union manager at this union? Now to they increase the money every day. Find how to they increase everything. If they hard or they hard, it's none of my business. So far the money that I need inside that they get them. So my people, for all these things now to stop, as soon as they come out from the government house, come out from Sadebe, start to follow all the whole streets. Hairdressing salon, weather, tailor, everything. Make una start to follow the whole street. Una get union. This union, how they tell you which part that they play. Are they adding money to you people or what are they doing? If no, if nothing of sort, crumble them, remove their feather, make una remove their commode, clear all of them. They should get out of the place. They are not useful because their own is just to come and make everything cost. Cow is supposed to still be under the price of 20,000, 30,000. But today now you cannot buy it. It's already on the 200, 1 million because of union. It's made way with the talk because of union. Tomatoes because of union. Maggi because of union. Pure water because of union. So all these things need to stop. Now Buhari be the union now. So these are all things we create by ourselves. So we still need ourselves to come and remove all these things. So these are my take and my advice to everyone that is going to be coming out tomorrow to do the protest. Because we all need each other to resolve this issue. Let us forget about I be PDP, I be APC. Because these people, if they really mean well, call PDP and APC for you and me. Since 1960 till now, show me one better thing where you go fit just say this place I go free. I go here, go relax free. I go here, go collect something free. I go here today, they exist, they support the citizens. They see one road, see one feed, see one sports center, see one thing where they generate, where they give, where people they go, where you go there, you just submit your paper, money go come out. Then they pay you one organization where they put for grant. See one road, see road where they tie, where this 89, not the square. See one, you know, nothing. So these people don't mean well. Nothing they care about. So if at this present time our parents make mistake, we should not make the same mistake. They leave on the way for our children. Leave on for your children, leave on for your children. You not go enjoy. Now let your children they come enjoy. If you not enjoy, you just say your children go get where they will come enjoy. So we all have to test it. Let's fight the fight now and test it. How it be, if it's sweet, then we leave on for our children. We not feel live way to we not test. Whether it's sweet or bad, we don't know. We say we want to live off our children. So it doesn't make sense. So it would have been better for everybody not to throw away that reason of I be this Curtis, I be this color, I be this APC, I be PDP, I be Togbere, I be the other one. Let everybody drop that. Those state economies, those state everything that is in those state belongs to you and me. If we fist it, we will fist it. Then say, broom, then come together. Now maybe they fist with the thing come off for ground. If it be say na just one broom, it can never. Or division there in between the broom, there is no way the broom go feel clean dirty. So let us join together like broom, so that make we feel sweep every dirty. Because now when division don't dey, now you go see kidnappers, you go see rapists, you go see fight people where they fight each other, hatred among them. You go see criminals everywhere. You go see all these problems what they see. You go see say the other one not go like each other. But these people wey don't they control it since 1960 till now, then they in good terms. If then they quarrel, their quarrel not supposed to be our quarrel, because every day by day we dey pray for our enemy to have division, to have confusion in between their midst. So sometimes I go still see say them go still a quarrel. Now still you and me, now I go still carry the fight for head. They want to go protect them. You go see our police, those ones self, I never know do on the day. Now they go still carry themselves till they protect the same criminal and the same people where crumble, where make their system not get back, it not get front, it not get side, it not get any direction. So it not make sense, my people. So I just leave this message this very Sunday evening. Make we all digest them, share them, divide them to everybody. If you just come in, go back to the starting. Now fire message and is the way in out. Is the real message, the real word you want to hear. Let's share it and let's work on it and use it. You will see say tomorrow the sky will be our limit. Remove every union out of Edo State and let every other state emulate Edo State also. Let every other state start to do the same thing. Anything called union, if they know they give money to they support the state, they know they help the state, they clean gutter, they sweep the tea, they give transport, they donate money to the people they sell, remove the commodity. So because or else if they did there, they go only they increase price. We can't they blame government, we can't they blame president, not knowing say na individual. Now they pass the information. You know here say you go here, you know. You see they said that your rice for that amount where they sell. You know here say they don't increase them. You see they said that made for that amount where they sell. You know here say they don't increase them. You see they said that pure water that amount they don't increase them. Now union, not them they increase all these things. So remove their feather. All of them need to pack. Make them still go open workshop. Make them still go buy more. Go drive to KTK. Make them still go do one. Go sell pure water to know waiting our mama and papa they suffer. Why their children still dey on street where they're supposed to day school or day class, see they sell pure water for road. So maybe they still go test them, so that not be only for them to come they share money, they increase price, so that then they make more money for themselves. Union man, you go see and they drive better car. People then they drive, then they build better house. But you wait inside market, they suffer. They enter road, they go buy goods, they come. You know, they feel make one couple, not to talk of profit, not to get the real money. So it will be the next target. Let the Emmanuel Bogun take the next step to every union. As Lucky Olupe is doing it, it's not enough. Let all of them come together and follow the union begin to crumble or cripple or clear or remove or uproot every union out of the society, so that as soon as they try to fight to bring the price of meat or price of everything in the land to become balanced, just as it be for Europe, because for abroad, more than 10 years, the way they take meat, they sell everything that they sell, now still be. But Nigeria, when we come on, me don't hear say they don't increase and pass 100 times everything, so it does not make sense. So because at the union, now they cost them. Somebody will be say no fit gather money, go market, go buy your own goods, but he get office way for the control price of things. How will what you say such person go they do? A mission not be to the increase, not to the increase. So every union need to be killed. Anything called union need to be killed. This message also passed to the state government. Every union, they are useless, and the people you open office that you are using the tax money payer to pay their money, to pay their monthly allowances, pay their money and their bills, they are not functioning. They are not functioning. All those offices, they only go to the market or to the union to collect bribe and come back to their house. So they don't do their job. They are just there not functioning, only collecting without giving back. So they are not functioning. They are not checking the prices of things. God bless you all as you do the rainfall. I salute you. Respect from afar. God bless you. Bye-bye for now. So I salute you now. Happy Sunday once more, and a blessful heading weekly ahead that is coming. That is called Monday. To you all. Coronavirus is not our portion. Sickness is not our portion. May God continue to lead you all. Continue to make you all go on the right direction. My people, problems full ground. So we go to talk about them when time comes. God bless you all. And the whole problem, when they say charity begins at home. If those states no get train tracks, no they train, no they work out for those states, it not make sense, because if you check them, they talk about passport not too long ago. See, those states now they get the plenty passport, the booklet pass. Now they travel pass. Upon all these people where they go abroad for those states is still there as it is, so it not make sense. So the fight has to be a real fight. The government need to put all these things in place. We all need to force them to put it in place, because now make them they allow courtesan youth, they come from what they call colors for themselves, they disorganize or destabilize themselves, destabilize their mind and their thinking. That is why they cannot unite. They don't know the right directions. Every time they wait for 4 years so that they can start fighting themselves, killing themselves, creating problems. Now me chairman, no. Now me councillor, no. Now me local chairman, no. Now me director, no. Now me chairman, no. Now me this person, no. It does not make sense. You will be too stupid to be waiting as a group of people, a youth for that matter, that are supposed to use that group as an avenue to begin to donate 1,000 naira for where about 2,000 people there for each other, begin play football against the other group. Blue color, blue play against red, red play against white, white play against blue, green, green play against the other color, brown. The other one play against the bed. The other one play against this one. You will see, tell me, the only way to be united and to share love, it is football pitch. In football, you will see say love go begin stable. When you people stable, you will surprise, you will have your direction. I don't advise you now. They can use that energy. They play football. Or if you not fit play football, more they carry weight. If you not fit carry weight, more they play karate. If you not fit play karate, more they do wrestling. If you not fit do wrestling, make they gymnastic. There are a lot of things. More they run, more they play game. Even if na gamble, no more carry am they play. Olympic time that they need do now go they important or they useful. So why will you be wasting your time because you be this color, you be the other color? As under 10 years, under 12 years, under 13 years, we be say Oyibo go here say you dey under 17, under 15, then go buy you quick because they know say you be material. But you just they waste your own now in the process of in the circle of raping and waiting for one governor to come and give you contract to go and kill, to go and destroy, to go and thief ballot box, to go and rob, to go and be selling land will not be your own before you go make money. My brother, my sister, wake up now. It don't make sense. So it will be better if you quickly realize it now. Understand, say, why pastor they make money, then be like Bitcoin, because they know say they get crowd. So you as a courtist, there's no way color blue not go get up to about 1,000 people. color red no go get more than one or up to 1,000 people. Where 500 people for they donate 1,000 every month for each other. Tell me how you now drop 10,000, say 10,000 for grant against your dark color. So we want to play match. So who win? We'll collect 200,000 or 300,000 or 5 million. Tell me how will you be waiting for one governor to come and give you money? Tell me why e no go dey painful if you see say you want to die, when you know say you don dey become star, people don dey talk about you, paper don dey carry you, news don dey carry you, how you take dey play ball, how you take dey run, how you take dey fly, how you take dey jump, how you take dey carry weight, how you take dey do this, how you take dey drive better bike or dey do this, how you take dey useful. Tell me how you go think about how to go use gun kill anybody, or you want somebody to use gun kill you. You are not a star, so it would have been better you upgrade this for yourself, so that you will see tomorrow the sky will be your limit. You will not be thinking about, hey, then say that so boy, na him get money pass, because say they get money pass, na him they carry the best woman. You don't know that boy, na him they carry all the guests. You don't know that girl, they carry all the boys. That one, how it makes sense? How that one take put money for your hand? Except say you must wait for one governor or one useless Akaterian to send you, can't go kill so person for me before you go make living. It doesn't make sense. And you are talented. You have the best idea. You are knowledgeable. You have anything you can think about, you have it in you. Don't you know that those things will give you that more than that million before that time change with governor or that senator or that guy in abroad, they can't give you, maybe take go assassinate. Don't you know that your talent can make you be richer than that person, that change 100 times? So why not utilize that few times? This thing when I talk, this message make you use them. Una try and una see. If you not work, make una hold me accountable. Now not they cover my face. This one I just do not because they are there outside. No, una hold me accountable. This idea when I pass for now. If you not work, una hold me accountable. Emmanuel Agbogun and Cohen, all the tasks, all the union, they need to scrap the naked. Make them go buy, make them gather money where they don't thief for market for the state. Make them still go buy pure water. Make them still they sell, so that make them know how it be. So we don't need union again. Let mama, sister, brother, they sell their things by themselves. So if they want to donate for each other, let them they donate for each other. But nothing like union, because the union are worse than Buhari, worse than the government, worse than PDP and APC. So this thing need to be crumbled. Union in all ramifications, in all area. Go rich driving, 2K or motor, selling tomatoes, pepper, or even selling anything, selling shit. All the union need to be scrambled. Take them off the state, off the land, wipe them out, bury them. That is the only way we can have a low price in everything. God bless you all, as you all understand. I salute you, best one. Respect. Love you more. Bye-bye for now, my people. So by the grace of God, as God permits, we'll be coming back to do it better. Thanks. God bless you all. Bye-bye for now. Please, share this message. Not they share only that naked thing. Not they share all those confusion. Not they share whether they disgrace person. This person they disgrace himself. You want to go share, keep them for eternity, so that tomorrow you will show to your children. You don't share this type of something. Give your children. You see, they will make sense. Now they will feel your life better sense, not be that bad thing. Bye-bye for now.